So what's up everybody, this is Divanshu. In this video we're going to be taking a look at the Miui 20.5.21 Emperor port ROM for Redmi 4A, and as you could see this is a pretty smooth ROM, and if we could define this ROM in one word, this is a customization plus stock Miui 12. So let's get started. So guys, as you could see there is no lag while using this ROM. I like this ROM because there is not even a single lag while using this this ROM. As you could see, I didn't face any lags or any stutters while using this ROM. As you could see, the QS lag has been fixed 100%, and so let's check out the settings first. As you could see, there is a separate option for Emperor features, and you could do a hell lot of customization to this ROM. As in stock Miui 12 you couldn't get the customizations, but in this ROM there is a whole option for the customization. So let's first open the display options. As you could see, there is a screen of animation, and that you could turn on. So let's select a screen of animations. I liked this LG Optimus G, and first you have to change this animation duration from default to fast to make this work. As you could see, this is pretty nice, and there is another bounce. So let's see, this is pretty amazing. I like this a lot, and as you could see, every animation is pretty smooth. There is not even a single lag while using this animations. And there is another option of list animations. You could also change that. I selected the wave left. As you could see, this is a pretty fluid animation. Some people prefer this, while I prefer the default no animation scrolling. And there is a status bar customization. You could customize your status bar as you like, and here you could also select the notification panel type from Android to Miui, what you prefer. And as you could see, there are a hell lot of options that you could change, so to make the custom ROM that you like. And there are also options in the home settings, as you could see, and there is a system sound, and there's not much options in there. And in more, you get enable extended reboot menu. So what this enables is, as you could see, it enables two more options: reboot to recovery, or reboot to fast boot mode. That's a pretty nice mode to have, because every time you have to turn your phone off and then turn it on to get into a recovery, you could just select this option and get into recovery, which is very handy feature in my opinion. And here are some more options that you could change. I'm not gonna explain every option. And as you could see, it is Miui 12 20.5.21 Emperor ROM, and so let's check out the storage. As you could see, every animation is fluid in this ROM. There's not even a single lag while using this ROM. So let's talk about the bugs. So first bug is that when you install this ROM, you couldn't sign in to your MI account. So to fix that, you just need to sign in with Google, or link your MI account with Google and then sign in. Then you could sign in normally. And there's another bug that you can turn on the hotspot, but hotspot is not visible in the other devices. That could be fixed easily, but the developer is working on another ROM, so when he gets time, he'll send me the fix for this, and if I get the fix, I'll link it in description. And every other option is same. As you could see, special option, everything is same, nothing has been changed here. And there is a single thing changed, but which is camera app is not that great in my opinion. It's pretty laggy, so don't use the camera app. Use another app like Gcam or any another app. And there is another option in screen recorder. As you could see, you can get 40 Mbps of video quality in this app, so which is very nice and which is very high quality. And you can also get 60 fps while recording in this ROM, so which is very nice, and we couldn't get this option in any other ROMs, any other Miui ROMs. So this is a pretty nice feature, and we have to use another app to get 60 fps recording in the Redmi 4A, so which is very nice. And there is another option, as you could see, it shows 5G other than 4G, so which is nice option to fool your friends. And so if you get any bugs or anything, just comment it out and I'll try to fix that, or I'll tell the developer to fix that and he'll fix in it next port. So